Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In our previous class, we were reading about Arabic vowels like Fatha, Kasra, and Dama. If we put Fatha on the letter, so it will be pronounced Zal, Fatha, the. If we put Kasra on Arabic letter Zal, so it will be pronounced Zal, Kasra, Z. If we put Dama on that letter, Zal, Dama, so it will be pronounced Zal, Dama, Zu. Again, the, Zu. If this black letter Sa has Fatha on top, Sa, Fatha, so voice go up. Sa, and then Sa has down Kasra sign. Sa, Kasra. See, the last letter Sa has Dama sign on the top. Sa, Dama, Su. We will read these three letters together. Sa, Si, Su. Fa has Fatha sign on the top. Fa, Fatha, Fa. Fa, Kasra, Fi. Fa, Dama, Fu. Fa, Fi, Fu. Waw, Fatha always go high. Wa, Kasra always go down low. Vi, wa, Dama, it will be pronounced Wu. Wa, Vi, Wu. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Ba, Kasra, Bi. Ba, Dama, Bu. Ba, Bi, Bu. Last three letters. Mim with Fatha. Mim, Fatha, Ma. Mim, Kasra, Mi. Mim, Dama, Mu. Ma, Mi, Mu. We will revise one time from top, just letters accent. Za, Zi, Zu. Sa, Si, Su. Fa, Fi, Fu. Wa, Vi, Wu. Ba, Bi, Bu. Ma, Mi, Mu. I think so, you got it. Sadaqallahul Azim.